All right. This is Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes. This is my creamy red snapper and sliced fish with seasoned rice dish that I've created in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV here today. So this dish here that I've created will be creamy red snapper, yes, and sliced fish with seasoned rice. Yes, red snapper, sliced fish. Ingredients are Dannon plain yogurt, classic Grace coconut cream milk, yes, butter, and Gouda cheese, yes, black pepper powder, onion powder, garlic powder, fresh garlic, fresh onions, red and white, and scallion, and as well bell peppers and carrots. Yes. And in the rice is consists of fresh garlic, fresh scallion, onions, bell peppers, yes, and chicken broth juice. Yes, chicken broth juice and classic coconut milk cream. Yeah, and ketchup, garlic powder, onion powder, and sea salt, and olive oil. And the sauce that is on the fish is made of coconut milk cream, Dannon yogurt, and Gouda cheese. You're watching the Winston Gel TV. Please like and share. Yes, and please subscribe and share my video of this delightful, scrumptiously delicious, tasty, yes, creamy red snapper and sliced fish and seasoned rice dish cuisine. Thank you for watching. See you on another wonderful, delightful, yummy, delicious dish.